Hey, yo, it's Chriso. Just the continuation of this smart waste. Oh no, not the smart waste. You fill this strip drain. I must apologise because I lost it there a bit. This is, you know, like a drain like this is absolute, gives me tingles down my spine. You know, if sex had anything to do with this shower, it would be orgasmic, I tell you. Because you can't, I don't reckon you can have a nicer shower base than a strip drain like this. Absolute bloody gorgeous. And it's so neat doing a job that you'd have yourself for someone else. It's pretty cool. I haven't drilled the holes yet. I'll be taking this out. I just want to get it right yet. It needs to come up a little, so I'll put a little bit more glue under there. When you're bedding, it's all right to have that, because when you tap it back down, it re-sticks together. You can, if you've got a bit of dry glue handy, sometimes I've just given it a little bit of a sprinkle with dry glue. Now that is so sexy. Beautiful. That really gives me tingles. Now I can just work my way back. I'll take that out. That's nice. I like it a lot. Beautiful, in fact. The beauty with bedding, you know, I love bedding because you tap it into place and it's it just stays there. So that's the hardest part done now. Now it's easy, but that is so, my opinion, it is just absolutely beautiful. Oh, that one's not glued yet. So let's look at that. You know, you get down, you look at beautiful and straight, lovely. Beautiful, you know, beautiful and flat and sloping nicely. You can't get a better shower than a big shower. It just beats anything. All right, people. Woo! Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you would. See ya. Bye.